Hi. Today we discuss about NOCO Genius 2x2 2-bank 4-amp Smart Charger. So let's start. Key specifications. Item weight, 4.59 pounds. Changing current, 4 amps. Input voltage, 240 volts. Battery cell composition, lithium-ion. Key features. The NOCO Genius 2x2 Smart Charger is an all-in-one charging solution, as it can jump-start a dead battery within minutes. It is a maintenance-free calcium battery that works easily and is quite beginner-friendly. The battery has an inbuilt thermal sensor that detects the weather to avoid under- or overcharging. People love how the battery has a slow pulse detection technology to examine the battery for sulfation for better restoration performance. All charging modes are indicated using a flashlight, making detecting the current battery status easier. The NOCO Genius Smart Charger is better than the GB40 model, because it can ignite a 6.0-liter diesel vehicle. It is one of the powerful batteries with up to exceptional amperage, perfect for fully charging a battery within 2 hours. The NOCO Genius 2x2 Smart Charger can easily power a lithium-ion battery, and protect it from potential damage. We are quite impressed by the battery charger's rugged exterior and metal clamps. It has a slow pulse technology to detect battery damages, and sulfation to provide a powerful jump start. Pros. Precise charging, 4.59 pounds. Anti-leakage and spark-proof. LED indicators. Cons. Complicated manual. Our recommendation. We like the NOCO battery charger due to its 2-tank battery maintainer to access battery health. It has LED indicators for charger status, which makes the process worry-free for beginners. The product buy link is in the description below.